You know how you think you respect yourself, but you really do not? Oh my God, it's perfect! Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. I don't think it's even morning anymore, it's actually midday. I got out of bed about an hour ago. I woke up at 10 today. Oh my God, yesterday was a very brutal day. Welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas. For those that are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and for those that have been here a while, thank you so much for the support. Welcome back. Yesterday was a super long day, man. I got back home at around 11 or 12 from work, and it was so much on my body today. There's no way I was going to wake up at 6, and on top of that, after the long day at work, we had a couple of drinks, and let me tell you, I'm struggling. I didn't want to do anything today, but I'm dedicated to bringing videos to you. These are the things that make me procrastinate, and I probably should not be... Why are we in the bathroom? I probably should not be involving myself in a lot of drinks plans, but it's December, man, and on top of that, it's like a work kind of thing whereby every... Ooh, is it snowing? I think it's starting to snow. At work, every Friday we do this thing where we have drinks after work. I never work on Friday, but I changed my shift to work on Friday. It doesn't matter. That's none of your business. Today's video is going to be a recipe video because, oh my God, I don't have it in me to do a whole video all day. And I know recipe videos... Oof, bathroom door. It always comes to my style. Because sometimes the toilet is in the shots as I'm editing and I'm like, what the hell? Anyway, I have some ripe bananas in the fridge. I think they are way too ripe. I kept them so that, oof, my God. I don't know if we can save this, but we'll find out. And these also went bad. Remember last vlog when I tried them and they were all bad? Trash. Bro, do you think we can save these? They look so gone, but let's try. Let's check this out. Have to be super gentle. Oh, oof, it's so ripe, but oh my God. I don't know if I can save the rest of these. If I have to save them, it has to be today. Just mash it up. I'm going to add some vanilla extract, baking powder, and we're going to put 2 eggs. This is my lucky egg. I bought this tray of eggs and this egg was the only white one, so it's my lucky egg. It will be the last one to be consumed. Add just a pinch of salt. The baking powder in the mix brings out the pinch of salt and it makes everything so much better. Oh my God, it's really snowing. This is my chance to get an intro shot before the snow disappears again, but it's now really cold. We've started going in the minus degrees. Yesterday was -6. Hey Siri, what is the temperature today?
The high temperature for today will be -4 degrees, and the low will be -5.
You hear that? My house is super cold. My heat, I've just taken it off right now because the heat kind of cramps my videos. The fridge already makes so much noise. If I turn the heat on, it's going to make like way more noise, and I hate that noise in my videos. Of course, I already made myself dirty. I don't know why I choose to wear white on such days. Anyway, as I bake, I realized something this morning. Normally, I found out that, you know how you think you respect yourself, but you really do not? This is how I know that I don't respect myself. So because I always procrastinate, you guys know I'm currently struggling with that, but I found out some of the reasons we procrastinate is that we do not respect ourselves. You see how like today I've been hungover? Normally, if I did not have to do Vlogmas, I need to do this while I talk. Just get my measuring cup. If I didn't have to do vlogmas, I don't know if I would be as productive today, but because I have to put this video out, normally I would make excuses. Oh my god, I have a hangover, I don't feel great. Yet if I had to go to work with this hangover, I would 100% go to work, you know. The reason why that is because you respect your job, it gives you money, so you respect it enough to put whatever you're going through aside and then come back and deal with it later. But when it comes to putting in the work for yourself, in this case myself, I wanted to procrastinate, you know. Anywho, I'm going to use almond flour. By the way, just this mix alone can make great pancakes. It's just a different style of pancakes. 1 banana and 2 eggs. I think I have a video where I was making those pancakes. I'll leave it here. It was one of my first videos. I'm actually feeling a little cringe to share that. Anyway, I'm using blanched almond flour, not regular flour, mostly because, do you say flour or flour? Whatever it is. If you use the wholemeal one, it's just almonds with the pulp together. That one doesn't make fluffy pancakes. This one is just the almond seed without the top brown part, and it makes for fluffy pancakes. Just that much. It's just to make sure the pancakes hold. I saw another recipe where they added apple cider vinegar, so we are going to try a teaspoon of that. Oh my god, because there was baking soda, it's starting to make some fluffy fluff. Mix it all together. I need to buy a whisk. I don't like adding my oil to the pan. What I normally like to do is put it directly in my butter. But the problem is the bananas and the eggs are cold, so because of that my coconut oil is going to become hard. I don't want that to happen, so we'll use avocado oil. Ideally, I really like baking with coconut oil. It's amazing. I don't know, I feel like the flavor is great. Let me know in the comment section down below what you like baking with. By the way, I realized I don't look good this morning, but we move, you know. I'm gonna use avocado oil instead and just pour it in here. When you pour the oil directly in the pan, you tend to use more oil, but when you pour it directly in the butter, you just mix it and make sure it's evenly everywhere. You just tend to use less than you use when you put it on the pan. That is my trick for, you know, consuming less oil. Today I heard that you can bake pancakes. I didn't know that. I didn't also preheat my oven because my oven makes noise when I turn it on. So in order for this video to be as audible as possible, I didn't turn it on, but I really want to try the baked pancakes. My butter my butter is not hard enough for this. Okay, the girl put her butter in the fridge, I think, for a bit. So should I put this in the oven? They are so runny. If I need to put them in the oven, then I will have to add more almond flour, which I don't want. It means more calories, and I don't feel like consuming more calories today, to be honest. I've done enough to my body. By the way, any nut seed flour, oat flour is way better than white flour, which is what people use a lot of times. Flour or flour? Oh my god, I keep getting mixed up. I need to get a pan. This is why I didn't want to bake, because I know my pan is dirty and I have to wash it, and I don't feel like washing. When I moved into this place, because I'm living alone, I was like, oh Sheila, you only need 1 plate, 1 cup, yo, you can't have one of everything just because you live alone, because some days you don't feel like washing anything. That's why I ended up buying a set of plates, a set of glasses. I still haven't bought cups, but I don't drink that much tea. I drink more water. My god, my skin is so dry. Is this how I'm recording this video? Damn, it just started snowing. I want to show you what it looks like now, because tomorrow when I vlog, I want to show you how much snow is expected to fall. Oh my god, it's cold. Yo, the things we do for content. It's freaking cold outside. I just went outside like this. Being ashy should be freaking illegal. Oh my god, why didn't I do this in the first place? Sheila. I don't really use anything special on my face, just regular old Vaseline, either this regular one or that, because this is a lotion I'm currently using. Whatever lotion I'm using is what I use for my face. And some lip balm. One girl once told me that my lips look like they are botched a little bit, especially when I wake up. So every time I don't wear like lip gloss, they look like super big and like super expanded. Well, guess what looks like it's expanding right now? The pancakes. Oh my god, did I put a lot of baking soda? I think I did, but damn, I'm here for this. Also, now that I'm out of bed trying to be productive, I'm feeling much better than when I was sitting in bed doing nothing. I thought about going to get a bottle of something, but oh my god, I cannot do that to myself. I cannot do that to my budget. I also cannot do it to my body. I'm supposed to watch for some bubbles, but I don't see any. Well, is it? No. Let's try and flip. Whoa, did you hear that? That was my stomach. Not yet. Oh my god, it's still wet. Ooh, before I kill it. Oh my god, it's perfect. Bumbaclat, Sheila, what the f? Okay, we'll cook it from here. Okay, those were the worst flips ever. The pancakes look cute, but the moment I move it from the side, oh my god, it's gonna smudge, which I don't want it to happen. Let's see how this pancake looks right now. Ooh, that's why do I keep flipping so terribly? Flip, girl. Oh, because I'm holding the camera. It looks, oh, okay, I'm about to kill it, but look at that. Last batch is chocolate. Alright, I kind of burned the last batch. And it's much smaller. I'm going to add some kiwi. It's the only fruit I have. God, look at that. Damn fire. Damn. Oh, it's full. Oh, damn. I cannot wait to dig in. One of the things I'm so proud of having is this bed and breakfast table, because I'm getting right into bed. Oh my god, now trying to get in the bed without moving this coffee. Oh my god. I'm so happy to make myself breakfast in bed. Bro, these pancakes never disappoint, ever. Where's my phone now? You know when you set yourself, oh, it's here. You know when you set yourself up to just not move and then you realize something is missing? Thank God it's here. I need to share this on Instagram, you know, content creator life. I hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful. If you try this recipe, definitely let me know, share it with me on Instagram, tag me at Madame Bay. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. As always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I will see you in the next one. Bye.